Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install OpenShot video editor on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for OpenShot video editor, and the first link which will appear here will be from openshot.org. So I'm going to just click on this link, and once this website opens you will be able to see the download button at the top. So just click on the download button at the top, and now it's going to open this kind of window. So here you can see Windows 64-bit installer is available. So I'm going to just click on the download button. If you want to download the 32-bit, then you can select the 32-bit from here. But most of the Windows 11 operating system are 64-bit operating systems. So I'm going to just leave it as 64-bit installer and then click on download button. So once I click on the download button, it's going to download this OpenShot exe file. So just wait for the download to complete. And once the OpenShot exe file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this exe file and I'm going to minimize my browser. So at this point, you just need to click on yes, which is going to start the installer. And now you can see the OpenShot video editor setup has been started. So first of all, you need to choose your language. By default, the English language is selected. You can also change it to any other language which are available here. So once you have selected the language, click on OK. And then on the next window, you need to agree with the license terms and conditions. So just select this I accept the agreement radio button and then click on next. And this will be the location where your OpenShot video editor will be installed. So if you don't have the good reason to change it, just leave it as default and then click on next. And here you can see select additional tasks. So generally I leave everything as default. I also check this checkbox which says create a desktop shortcut, which is going to create a desktop shortcut on your Windows 11 desktop. So you can open this from the desktop. Click on next now and then click on install, which is going to start the installation of OpenShot video editor. So now I just need to wait for this process to reach to the end. And now I can see that this desktop icon has been created for me and the setup has been finished. So at the end you will see this kind of window which says completing the OpenShot video editor setup wizard, and then just leave this checkbox as checked. So when you click on the finish button, it's going to launch OpenShot video editor on your Windows operating system. So now I can see that OpenShot video editor has been started. You will also see this window here where you can see the tips and tricks about OpenShot. So if you want to take this tutorial, you can click on next. Otherwise, I can click on hide tutorial here. And then I can maximize this window. And you can see my OpenShot video editor has been started. So now I can start editing my videos from using this OpenShot video editor. So now let's open a video file to edit. So I'm going to just click on plus here, and then I'm going to navigate to the location where my video file is there. This is my file, which is the MP4 file. So now this file is imported, and then I can just right click here and then see the preview of it, or I can add it to the timeline. So let me add it to the timeline here, which is going to add this video to the timeline. If you don't see your video here, you can also just move this track bar up, and then you can see your video in the tracks, right? You can move this video on the first track also, and then start editing your video, right? So this is how you can install OpenShot video editor on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.